Pure and applied mathematics. Pure mathematics. Pure mathematics starts from rules of inference. It treats only theories and principles without regard to their only theories and principles, without regard to their application to concrete things. It involves systematic and deductive reasoning. If A greater than B and B greater than C, then A greater than C. Thus, from given propositions, we conclude that some other proposition is true. Applied mathematics. It considers those parts of mathematical theories that have certain direct or practical application to objects of actions in the material world. It plays a great role in the development of various subjects. Every discovery in science owes much to applied mathematics. For example, in the field of heat, sound, light, optics, navigation, and astronomy, in the classroom, much of the mathematics we teach is applied mathematics in the sense that it relates directly to life's activities connected with buying, selling, trade, business, application, owing, measuring, income tax, etc. Mathematics, thinkers, intuition. According to dictionary, intuition consists of the immediate apprehension without the intervention of any reasoning process or knowledge or mental perception. An intuitive thinker arrives at an answer with very little awareness. In learning mathematics, the ability to guess a tentative generalization should be encouraged. Mathematics deals with precision and accuracy. Mathematics is known as an exact science because of its precision. In mathematics, the results are either right or wrong, accepted or rejected. There is no midway possible between right and wrong. Mathematical results can have any degree of accuracy required. Mathematics is a study of structures. A mathematical structure is a mathematical system with one or more explicitly recognized properties. Mathematics has got definite logical structures. These structures ensure the beauty and order of mathematics. Number system, group, field, ring vector, space, etc. are all examples of mathematical structures. Mathematics deals with generalization. The generalization of mathematics are very simple and obvious in comparisons with those of other domains of thought and activity in mathematics. Various generalizations are made with the help of available data. Formula, theorems, rules, and regulations are examples to generalization. Mathematics is logical. According to Russell and Whitehead, mathematics is logic. Moreover, they challenged to show the line of demarcation of mathematics and logic. Each studies the relationship between elements and draws logical inferences. Best example for this is Euclidean geometry. Mathematics is a dynamic intellectual enterprise. There is a difference in the dynamic nature of other sciences and mathematics. In other sciences, the people of one generation find something, while the next generation individuals find another thing by rejecting the old one. But in mathematics, if one generation of individuals finds something, the next generation adds something more to it. The dynamic nature of mathematics should be reflected in the curriculum. Mathematics deals with abstractness. Abstractness is essential in mathematics. With the help of concrete situations, high school students can be motivated towards abstractions and symbolic representations.